DesertWest Fabric Shaver, 2022 World Premiere. Dual Head Lint Remover Rechargeable Sweater Shaver Electric Lint Shaver with 2-speed efficient fuzz remover for clothes. Cashmere couch sock pearl white. Designed to save time and money, same time to maximize the shaving efficiency. RANVOO Electric Lint Remover Shaver, 100% Remove Fuzz. Dual Head Fabric Shaver with 2 speeds, 2 replaceable 6-leaf blades. Rechargeable Sweater Shaver for clothes, bedding, furniture. Emerald green. 100% Remove Fuzz. As the industry's first dual head design, RANVOO Fabric Shaver are more powerful and faster. After more than 36,000 pruning Phisco Men's Electric Shaver IPX7 Waterproof Electric Shaver for Men. 3D Rotary Shaver Razor for Men. Wet and Dry Rechargeable Shaver with Pop-Up Trimmer. Electric Razor for Men, Dad, Boyfriend, Husband. Precision Steel Blade Smooth and Close Shave. The 3D Rotary Shaver with 0.08mm ultra-thin double-track cutter net and the Precision Steel Blade can best provide a very close shave. Fabric Shaver, JUEYINGBAILI Electric Lint Remover, Rechargeable Fuzz Remover for Couch, Clothes, Furniture, Sweater, Lint Shaver with 6-leaf blades, gray. Efficiency increased by 50% than similar 3-leaf blades fabric shavers on the market, more powerful and efficient. Easily remove fabric fluff, lint and baubles from various fabrics, clothes. MR.SIGA Lint Remover and Fabric Shaver with 2 speeds. Rechargeable Electric Lint Fuzz Remover with 2 replaceable upgraded 6-leaf blades. Powerful motor and efficient removing 2.7-inch shaving head with 3 different stainless steel meshes capture all kinds of fuzz, lint and pill. Upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blades provide faster and more efficient trimming of fuzz, pills, and lints to refresh fabrics. Package includes a lint remover, 2 extra 6-leaf blade set, 1 cleaning brush, 1 USB cable.